A very good morning, students. In previous lecture, we were discussing about types of disability and their causes and nature. In previous lecture, we have discussed one type of disability, that is cognitive disability. And this cognitive disability is of three types: primary memory disorder, hyperactivity, and that is dyslexia. And today we will be discussing about second type of disability, that is intellectual disability. Intellectual level of individual is less or reduced because of one or the other reason. There is limitation in their intellectual functioning, like reasoning, learning, problem solving. Some students, they are not able to solve the problem immediately, and competitive exams and all, they face very difficulty. They have to attempt 100 questions and hardly they will be able to attempt 20 or 25. They are very slow, and presently we call slow learners also. That those who are slow learners, they are having intellectual disability. Second one is feature of intellectual disability is adaptive behavior, means related to the individual's thought process, how individual think and he behave with anybody, that is related with intellectual disability. And another feature of intellectual disability, that is communication, money, learning, problem solving and judgment. They may not go for accurate judgment what is going to happen, and this may be a misjudgment. Next feature of intellectual disability, it also include psychiatric disability, which is related to individual behavior in society, emotional thinking, and this disability begins before the age of 18 years. Psychiatric disability means psycho problem also some children are having in this. हम बोल तो नहीं सकते किसी बच्चे को कि आपके बच्चे को साइको प्रॉब्लम है, आप साइकेट्रिस्ट को दिखाओ, बट some children are having this kind of intellectual disability related to the psychiatric symptoms are there, and because of that child behavior in the society is not appropriate. Emotionally child is weak. Emotion is related with expression of sorrow and anger, that is related with the emotional problem. And thinking, what individual think positive or negative towards anybody, this is because of psychiatric thinking. And this disability, this kind of disability always before 18 years of age. After crossing this kind of intellectual problem, it persists, it will not be changing. And last but not the least, that is disability type is physical disability. Physical disability, physically, if any of the organ is not functioning properly, if any limbs are not having particular movement in the joints and all, or flexibility is not there, because of injury also sometimes this physical disability may appear. And this is because of that physical disability, individual have certain limitations in functioning their body movements. जो एक्सरसाइज हर स्पोर्ट्समैन कर लेगा, वो एक्सरसाइज फिजिकल डिसेबिलिटी वाला चाइल्ड नहीं कर पाएगा. दे विल नॉट एबल टू डू बिकॉज ऑफ their disability. Another disability is related to the respiratory disorder. Respiratory disorder means सांस लेने में दिक्कत, or suffering from asthma and all, some kind of respiratory organs problem. Then also child will not able to do activity what a normal child is doing. And next one is blindness or sleep disorder. ब्लाइंडनेस जिसको कम दिखाई देता है और किसी को दिखाई नहीं देता बिल्कुल, ब्लाइंड पीपल आर देयर, handicapped people are there. This all kind of problem is related with physical disability. Sensory impairment, any kind of sensory impairment, sense organs are skin for touch, nose to smell, ear to hear, eyes to see, and tongue to taste. All those sensory things you are not able to respond, you are not able to distinguish, your taste is not you are able to judge, or sometimes you are having smelling problem, you don't get any kind of smell, or you are having hearing problem, you maybe of hard hearing and all, or blindness, eyes problem, skin touch sensation also you feel very less. So this kind of sensory impairment is also comes under physical disability. So this is the last one. And when question comes in the board that explain the types of disability, then you have to explain all: cognitive disability, intellectual disability, and physical disability. If question comes 3 marks, explain the cognitive disability, then you have to define the meaning of cognitive disability, that is related to the neurological disorder, and it is having 3 symptoms: memory disorder, hyperactivity, and dyslexia. This topic is very important. Every year it comes in the exam. If it is in 5 marks question that explain the types of disability, then you have to explain: first one is cognitive disability, 3 parts of cognitive disability, second one is intellectual disability, and third one is physical disability. This becomes 5 marks question. And part, if any explain physical disability, 2 marks or 1 mark or 3 mark, or explain the features of intellectual disability, 3 marks you explain this, 3 marks cognitive disability, then you explain these 3 parts. Likewise question every year it is coming, so remember, it is important. Thank you. Have a healthy day.